As the debate over health care reform continues on Capitol Hill, there's one aspect that both Democrats and Republicans agree on: health care for veterans accessibility. Congressman Glenn Thompson recently introduced legislation to expand veterans' health care. Washington Bureau Chief Jacqueline Policastro has a story.
Congressman Thompson's bill is called the Veterans E-Health and Telemedicine Support Act, VETS Act for short. He says telemedicine is a great way to help vets who are struggling with mental health conditions.
It really came out of my discussions with my son, who's in the Army, when he was telling me about some of his friends that had committed suicide.
Thompson explained VA healthcare professionals who use telemedicine have to be licensed in the state they reside in and the state where the veterans they're treating live too.
And that's almost impossible. That is so cumbersome. So it limits the amount of providers that are out there to provide the care that these men and women have earned and deserve. And my bill addresses that.
Thompson says his VETS Act makes telemedicine more cost-effective. He shared he's proud he can use his professional experience in the healthcare field to help make a difference in the lives of those who've served our country.
It's an honor to be able to work with the frontline service members like my son and daughter-in-law, but also the command at the Pentagon, who have been wonderful to work with on these types of issues.
The VETS Act already had bipartisan support. In fact, Thompson introduced the bill alongside Democratic Congressman Charlie Rangel of New York. In Washington, Jacqueline Policastro, WICU 12 News.